Teach us more. Oh yeah, I'm not ready. I want to show now. URHOBO class 205. So, on today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to make sentences in URHOBO. Use words to make sentences in URHOBO. A lot of you not even sabi introduce yourself for URHOBO, but we'll come back to that. Right now, make I teach you how to make sentences with those words I teach you yesterday. So, if you want to say my father is from Ughelli North. This is how you say it. Oseme Ughelli North. Repeat after me. Oseme. Yesterday I taught you father is Ose. So when you want to say my father, you say Oseme. Oseme is my father. Oseme Ughelli North. If you want to say is my mother is from Ughelli, you say Onime Ughelli North. Then if you know your community's name, you add your community's name. Onime Ughelli North. My mother is from so place in Ughelli North. That's what I said. Now what did I say? Oseme is my father. Is from Ughelli North. Ughelli North. Onime is my mother. Onime Ughelli North. My mother is from Ughelli North. So now, let's say you see your sister somewhere and you have to speak URHOBO there and be like, that is my sister. What do you say? You say, Onyonyovome. Onyonyovome. Then if you want to be more specific and say my sister you say Onyonyovome omote. Onyonyovome omote. Omote means girl, means female. So Onyonyovome omote. That's when you're saying that is my sister. Onyonyovome omote. This is my sister. Onyonyovome omote. Okay? You grab. At the teacher now. At the teacher calm you. Una no go listen. Una no go listen. This year you are for it. Say na clear eye. Una no go listen. They do. Will break back about it. Now the teacher now you no go listen. You no go listen. You go so your leader might be that. Person no fit follow interact in URHOBO for public place. Only English. Any small secret you want talk na English. Una no fit speak una local language. They interact. People no hear what una dey talk. Shame on you. Shame on you people. No, I would do akaba one young mavo. What's our URHOBO mavo ma? Look this side. Now, when you want to say that is my brother or this is my brother, say Onyonyovome omoshari. Omoshari means boy. Onyonyovome omoshari. However, the class they go self, you not consign me. If you let me listen, if you let me know this, now you sabi. Now you sabi. Make I see if after I say make I speak URHOBO for you. Now code I go use IP if you don't reply me. Yes. Now code I go use wipe now. But that's how they can be. If you work for one of the taffy, why you URHOBO na me you no one in fact, class close. I'm not teaching again. Next class, I'm not begging.